嘿，你好，我想买一瓶茅台酒。
茅台酒我这边有，不用。
对呀，我想买一瓶，是送给我的一个老朋友的。
你想买不是卖。
哎呀，不好意思，我发音不标准。
还可以。你多大了？
我已经老了。
你带护照了吗？
没有，
身份证呢？
我什么都没带。
那我不可以卖给你，这是法律规定。
天哪，这是怎么回事儿？
开玩笑的，30块。
太好了，这个可以吗？
信用卡不行。你有现金吗？
没有，
微信支付呢？
没有。
那你去银行取钱吧。
好的，马上回来。
一会儿见。
5分钟。
走。
Hi there, I'm Oliver. Chinese is a funny language. If you pronounce one word slightly different, then it can get a completely different meaning. My, buy, sell. My, buy, sell. To understand this lesson, you must have studied all my previous lessons. You can find them on the website ChineseWithOliver.com. As I walk into the shop, I see this very important character. You will see it in every Chinese shop, restaurant, and even in Chinese homes. This character is Fu, and it means good fortune. Chinese people believe that if you put this character in your shop or home, then good fortune will automatically come to you.
你好，欢迎光临。
If you walk into a shop in China, the shop assistant will say out loud, 欢迎光临. This means, welcome to my shop. Please remember only the verb 欢迎, to welcome. For example, welcome to China. 欢迎你来中国.
你好，欢迎光临。
嘿，你好，我想买一瓶茅台酒。
I say, 我想买一瓶茅台酒. I want to 买 one 瓶茅台 liquor. 买 means to sell. A ping is a bottle, normally pronounced with the R sound at the end. So one bottle is 一瓶. Mao Tai Jiu is one of China's most famous and most expensive liquors. The price is so high because of the brand name. There are many liquors with the same taste, but 10 times cheaper.
我想买一瓶茅台酒。
茅台酒我这边有，不用。
The girl says, 我这边有, I, on this side, or here, have. She pronounces 这边 with the R sound. So 这边, 我这边有, 不用, no need.
茅台酒我这边有，不用。
对呀，我想买一瓶，是送给我的一个老朋友的。
I say 对, correct. 我想买一瓶. Here what I want to say is I want to buy one bottle. But because of the wrong pronunciation, what I actually say is I want to sell one bottle. 是送给我的一个老朋友的. It is to give as a present to one old friend of mine.
对呀，我想买一瓶，是送给我的一个老朋友的。
你想买不是卖。
Then she says, 你想买不是买. You want to 买, it's not 买. Let's check out 买 on the left and 买 on the right. 买 is to buy and 买 is to sell. The characters are very similar, but the one on the left is easier. It doesn't have the little cross on top. The pronunciation on the left is more complex. 买. The one on the right is simply 买. 买.
啊，你想买不是卖。
哎呀，不好意思，我发音不标准。
还可以。
I say 不好意思. This means sorry, excuse me. You already know another word for sorry, 对不起. I say 我发音不标准. I pronounce not 标准. 标准 means standard, the way something should be. 我发音不标准. I pronounce not the way it should be. In English, we would say, my pronunciation isn't good. The girl says, 还可以, so-so.
不好意思，我发音不标准。
还可以。你多大了？
我已经老了。
She asks, 你多大了? Literally, you, how much big? In English, how old are you? 我已经老了. I already old.
你多大了？
我已经老了。
你带护照了吗？
没有，
身份证呢？
我什么都没带。
She asks, 你带护照了吗? Did you bring a 护照? A 护照 is a passport. Then she asks if I have a 身份证. That is an ID card. I reply, 我什么都没带. I didn't bring anything.
你带护照了吗？
没有，
身份证呢？
我什么都没带。
那我不可以卖给你，这是法律规定。
She says, 那我不可以卖给你. In that case, I cannot sell and give it to you. 这是法律规定. This is 法律规定. 规定, as you know, that was a rule. 法律 means law. 规定 can be both a noun and a verb. It means a rule or to regulate. So, 这是法律规定 means this is the law that regulates it, or this is a rule of law.
那我不可以卖给你，这是法律规定。
天哪，这是怎么回事儿？
I say 天哪, which literally means heaven. In English, we'd say, what the heck, or oh my god. I say, 这是怎么回事? What's going on? It's an informal expression. Please try to learn it by heart. 这是怎么回事? 这是怎么回事?
天哪，这是怎么回事儿？
开玩笑的，30块。
太好了。
She says, 开玩笑的, I'm making a joke. 30块, 30 kwai. A kwai is a classifier for money, so 30 kwai in the USA would mean $30. In the UK, it would mean 30 pound. In China, it simply means RMB. Please try not to mix up these two characters. The one on the right means quickly. For example, hurry up, 快点儿. I say, 太好了, great.
开玩笑的，30块。
太好了，这个可以吗？
信用卡不行，你有。
I ask, 这个可以吗? This one can. In English, that would be, can I use this? She says, 信用卡. This literally means credit card. The third character, ka, is actually a loan word, derived from the English word card. She says, 不行, not okay.
这个可以吗？
信用卡不行，你有现金吗？
没有，
微信支付呢？
没有。
She asks, 你有现金吗? Do you have 现金? 现金 means cash money. Then she asks if I have 微信支付. As you know, 微信or WeChat is at this moment the most popular Chinese communication app, and the verb 支付 means to pay. 微信支付 is a great way to do all kinds of payments just using your mobile phone. So in theory, you don't need to carry any cash around.
你有现金吗？
没有，
微信支付呢？
没有。
那你去银行取钱吧。
好的，马上回来。
一会儿见。
5分钟。
中。
She says, 那你去银行取钱吧. In that case, you better go to 银行 to 取钱. 银行, that means bank. 取钱 means to withdraw money. 那你去银行取钱吧. In that case, you better go to the bank to withdraw money. I say, 好的，马上回来. Ma xiang literally means on top of a horse. In English, very quickly, immediately. 一会儿见, that is, see you in a bit. 5分钟, 5 minutes. Finally, the girl says 中, and that means okay.
那你去银行取钱吧。
好的，马上回来。
一会儿见。
5分钟。
中。
Right, now I will show you the dialogue once more, but this time without subtitles.
你好，欢迎光临。
哎，你好，我想买一瓶茅台酒。
茅台酒，我这边有，不用。
对呀，我想买一瓶，是送给我的一个老朋友的。
你想买，不是卖。
哎呀，不好意思，我发音不标准。
还可以。你多大了？
我已经老了。
你带护照了吗？
没有。
身份证呢？
我什么都没带。
那我不可以卖给你，这是法律规定。
天哪，这是怎么回事儿？
开玩笑的，30块。
太好了，这个可以吗？
信用卡不行，你有现金吗？
没有。
微信支付呢？
没有。
那你去银行取钱吧。
好的，马上回来。
一会儿见。
5分钟。
中。
You can see all the lessons, including the text, on the website ChineseWithOliver.com.